Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. Today I'm going to show you how to contact YouTube TV customer support. Start by searching for YouTube TV support on Google using your phone or computer. Click on the first help article that appears. From there, choose a topic that matches the issue you're having, such as problems with setting up YouTube TV. Open the article and click on Contact Us. This button is in the same place across all help pages. Under I Need Help With, select YouTube TV, then describe your problem like not working, and click Next. Choose the option that best fits your issue, click Next again, and review the suggested help articles. If those don't solve your problem, continue by clicking Next to see your support options. You'll be able to chat, email, or call YouTube TV support. You can also view their hours of operation before contacting them. That's how you reach YouTube TV support. I hope this helped. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to One More Guru, and I'll see you next time.